So, on and off, I would have problems with my Samsung TV where it would blink black or blink on and off, like flash on and off. And I thought it was my connection. I looked on videos on YouTube, and guys were cutting jumpers in the back on the circuit board, and I didn't want to do that. And I kept looking and I kept looking, and I finally found what's wrong. What is wrong is that the Samsung smart TVs, you cannot have them hooked up to a surge protector. So just unplug your Samsung from the surge protector and plug it straight into the wall, and it'll stop flickering. That's it. Hope it helps. Have a great day. Thumbs up and comment below if it worked.